scores right there. I don't know.
Go, yep!
Hey, Gonzalez!
Oh, no! No! Yeah!
Well, that looked like it hurt, to be honest, because he, like, dove right into his arm.